For our first problem, I've set up a chart with ones, tenths, and hundredths. We're going to use our base 10 blocks to add and solve this problem. So we start to the right of the decimal, the furthest column here, which is our hundredths, and we see we have 5 up top, 9 on the bottom, so we want to add them, so we're going to group them together. So that gives me a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we can't have a number greater than 9 in any one column. So we're going to group 10 of these together. And you can see when I do that, it gives me a remainder of 1 to be moved to the 10th column. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is less than 9, so we're fine there. Now we're going to do our tenths column. We're going to add the top to the bottom, so we'll bring those down. And that gives us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll go to our ones column. And that gives us a total of 7. They're kind of large, so I'm not going to count them all. So that gives us an answer of 7 and 84 hundredths.